Hey guys, what's up? I just wanted to pop in randomly and show you that I have some interesting stuff planned. There you go. Little quick look at what I've got going on the workbench at the moment. Look at this. Oh, if I can find it. Watch this. Ready? Alright, that's cool. I'm excited to get to work with some of this stuff. And as you can already see, I've got a few pieces planned out. And then these are the Star Wars ones I've been working on. And yeah, got some cool stuff planned in the near future, hopefully. Okay, not sure how well you'll be able to see this. The lighting's not very good in here. I'm doing this after work. So just stressed, and I wanted to come out and work on these a little, but I'm going to try to do a little burning. Oh no, if I can not stab myself on the aforementioned laid out items. We'll see what I can do, y'all. Okay, I'm glad I went with this more narrow tip because I almost went with a broader tip, but the detail work on this one is so fine that I think I would have been in a lot of trouble. Oh no, the glasses are falling off the top of my head. I could probably use my glasses at this moment anyway, so it's fine. It's cool. It's perfectly fine. It's okay, brother. Okay, now I'm gonna try this one. You can't. Okay, you can see it a little bit. But again, the lighting's pretty bad in here. I can see what I'm doing, but I didn't think this through entirely for video purposes, apparently. Oh yeah, fun fact. This used to be that. Poof. And I just thought this was a good idea and thought I'd try it. But anywho, I also, since the detail, well, the plan for this one is a little different than this one. I just wanted the outline done for this one. This one I actually want the whole skull burned. So I also switched to a different tip. Can that focus? Kinda ish. You get the idea. This is what I used for the really fine line work. And then I got something a little more blunt for this. But hopefully I don't mess it up. There you go. That actually looked pretty good. Like, I like that. I think that ended up looking better than I'd imagined it actually. Okay, so next step done. Just wanted to show you guys something real quick. I'm getting ready to drill this one out. I probably won't show this one, but the couple of the fancier ones I may work into the video. But something I learned that helps save me a lot of headache is I will measure out how deep I need to drill. And then, can you see it possibly? Okay, yeah, you can kind of see the little black mark on my drill bit. That shows me the overall depth that I need to go, because I want to make it flush with this. You like all those technical terms? This and that and those things? So that's how deep I want to go all together. But see where this widens out here, I step up to another bit, but I don't have to go nearly as deep with that one. And you see there's two different marks because I've used a couple different sizes, but just a little fun fact to help keep me a little sane during all this. Okay, next day I've had some sleep, I've had a shave, so I look a little less like a hobo. I don't know, that was probably disrespectful to hobos, I apologize. But just want to record real quick, kind of part of the process for the next, I don't know, stage in the knife. I don't know, something. Just watch the thing. Oh, you know what? I didn't double check my measurements. And this is what I'm going to be using for these handles. The bigger antler handles are these 125 grain Stinger, I think is the brand. And actually, I'm going to try to take these little side blades off to make it easier to make a sheath for them, because otherwise those little blades are just going to like jack up anything I make like that. But let me double check. Where did it go? I had it. Okay, yeah, that mark is accurate. So let's take two. Ow, almost cut myself again. Knock all the dust out, and doop, there. So, antler's warm too. I got a little close to the surface on part of it, I think. No, okay, not too bad. And then I just do a quick check on the depth. Oh no! And I can use my handy dandy little broadhead wrench. Ow, almost stabbed myself again. And usually, sometimes this takes 2 or 3 times per knife to make sure I've got the depth right, because the needed depth does vary a little from knife to knife. And ooh, there we go. Okay, that's fine. Nice tight fit. Oh no. Uh-oh. Ah, there we go. Okay. Boom. So a little preview. The depth is pretty good. Can you see? Just barely a little gap right there. I could probably crank it down just a hair more. But like some of the knives like this, see that's got how uneven that is. That one, I'll have to take the blade back out and try to sand that off a little more evenly. and then test the depth again. And chances are where I'm going to have to take a little more meat off there, as it were, I'll probably have to drill it just a little bit deeper. But anyhow, so it gets a more even seating. But this one will be pretty well ready to rock, and then I'll just take a sander and sand this down to make it look a little prettier, and it'll be just about ready to rock. Sometimes I will use like leather or artificial sinew around this, but I have come to really like the natural look with the antlers, so generally I will just sand it off to make it a little more even and call it a day, because I don't know, that to each their own, I guess, but me personally, I just really like that natural look. Hey guys, end of the video. Hope you enjoyed it. If you do, like, subscribe, all that jazz. Hopefully future me will remember to put down in the description any important links. Hopefully. We'll see if that works out. And yeah, if you guys want to see more of this, let me know. And you can actually, again, if I remember all the links, if you would be interested in ordering one of these knives for yourself, you can message me through Instagram. But yeah, I hope you guys enjoyed it, and hopefully I'll see you again in the next one.